Hey everyone, this is Rachel from Desert Blossom Crafts. Today I want to show you one of the simplest things in crochet, one of the first things you need to learn to do when you're learning to crochet. It's called a slipknot. So when we make a slipknot, first of all I'll make one and show you kind of what it is and why we need it. So I'll do these steps slower in a minute, but a slipknot, just so you know, a slipknot is basically it's a knot that you can slip out. So it's a loop like this. You can see there's a little knot here, but the loop allows you to just pull it right out. So this is kind of the first thing you're going to do whenever you're starting a crochet project. So I'm going to show you the way I do it. There's several different ways of actually making a slip knot, but this is the way I use, and it's also the way I use to teach hundreds of women in the Philippines. So to begin, you're going to take the yarn, and this is yarn coming from a skein. You want to be coming from a skein. You're going to take 2 fingers of your left hand, and you're going to hold them out. You're going to take the yarn from bottom, so see it's underneath my fingers right now. You're going to take it from bottom to top, wrap it until you make an X. Okay, so there's my X. I'm just going to hold it there. Now, the next thing you're going to do is take your crochet hook. So right now I'm using an H hook, but for this exercise you can really use any kind of hook. I'm going to take my hook underneath, and this strand that's going over right here, I'm going to grab it with the hook and pull it underneath to make a loop like this. Once you do that, that's kind of the hardest part. Once you do that, you're just going to take your fingers out, pull it tight, and then if it's really loose like this, all you have to do to make it tighter is take both the ends and pull. And now you've made a loop that you can begin crocheting with. And from here, you'll need to know stitches. But that is the method I use to make a slip knot. So let me show you one more time before we finish. So I'm just going to pull it out again. Now I'm going to take my end. So you can see I kind of have an end here, but I'm starting it about a foot away and wrapping it. So I'm starting under my 2 fingers once again, over them, into an X. I'm just going to hold that right there. Then I'm taking my hook again. I'm inserting it under both loops, but then I'm grabbing the one that's going over. I'm going to pull down with the loop and bring it up. Then I'm going to take my 2 fingers out, pull tight, and then I'm going to pull it tight around the hook. So that is all there is to making a slip knot. It's pretty easy. From here, you'll need to know how to make a chain. Thank you for watching, and look out for more videos coming soon.